few videos in our 6 Cents for 6 Cents series where we talk about dashboarding and how we make sure that we have leading and lagging indicators that we are monitoring as a revenue team. But sometimes in marketing, you really need to go much more granular than that. You need to go down to the campaign level to understand which mix of strategies and campaigns and activities are really helping move the needle. And that's where the segment performance reporting that lives in the 6 Cents platform is so critical. I'm actually going to just walk you through a day in the life of how I would use this specific report in the platform to help me understand which activities to start, stop, and continue. You know, you start with a segment in the platform, and in this case, I'm looking at our overall ICP for our enterprise segment. This is that group of companies that fall within a specific employee range that we absolutely have goals for pipeline revenue and 6 QAs against. And so the goal is, of course, to understand of this ICP, how many are we actually successfully moving down funnel into a higher intent stage? And this report gives you just that information. So you'll see that about 5,000 accounts within the enterprise segment did move from a low intent stage to a higher intent stage in the matter of a quarter. Great, that's helpful to know, but of course it begs the question, which accounts moved and what moved them? And the beauty of the report is it's all clickable and drillable. And so you go to that next level of granularity and you'll see that about 600 of the accounts that were in decision stage last quarter are now in purchase stage. Great, all right, so which campaigns are actually helping move the needle there? And this view that you're seeing on screen now is probably the most valuable for me. I want to be able to understand which campaigns successfully reached our target audience and which campaigns successfully engaged them. And on the screen you see that about 7,000 accounts were successfully engaging with our CRM and MAP campaigns. That's really interesting because we run so many of them and it's very difficult to often understand which ones are actually resonating. And if you click into that, you'll go down to literally the email send, literally the specific campaign in Salesforce that helped engage your target audience. If I had looked specifically into another one of those tactics like display, you can get a prioritized list of the individual display campaigns that were most successful in engaging. So this set of reports is very valuable. I wouldn't say you need to be in there every day, but at least once a month, once a quarter, take a look at a cohort of accounts that you absolutely need to be moving down funnel and get a sense of the activities that are helping contribute to that. One other use case that I find particularly interesting is at the end of a quarter or at the mid-year point, taking a look at your closed won deals and going back, building a segment and seeing which campaigns helped reach those target audience and engage them, because those are the types of activities that you might want to put more resources into. You might want to expand into other verticals or territories, and then things that don't show up in this report are probably not something you want to put any more resources or energy into. Thanks.